Let's learn the 17th structure. Now we are going to learn the 17th structure. Okay, let's see which structure we are going to learn. The structure is I feel like. I feel like. After I feel like, we have to use V1 plus ing form. I feel like plus V1 plus ing form plus something. This is the structure. I feel like structure. Okay, now let's see what is the usage of this structure. The structure is, use it to express a personal desire or wish or preference towards engaging in a particular action. Or particular action or activity. Okay, what is this structure? This structure is used for our personal desire or wish or preference towards engaging some particular activities, some particular actions. For example, I feel like eating biryani. I feel like eating biryani. Here, our personal wish, our personal desire. What is our personal desire? That you would like to, means you want to eat biryani. It is intensity, showing intensity. I feel like eating biryani. Okay, let's see some examples. I feel like eating biryani. After I feel like, we have to use ing form. Like means gerund. Okay, ing form V1 plus ing form. I feel like going for a run. I feel like going for a run. I feel like learning communication skills. I feel like learning communication skills. I feel like meeting my old friends. I feel like taking a short nap. I feel like cooking dinner. I feel like, I feel like reading an interesting book. I feel like taking relaxation. I feel like going for swim. I feel like doing yoga. I feel like listening to music. I feel like writing a short story. I feel like dancing on the stage. I feel like going to the gym. I feel like watching a movie. I feel like trying a new hobby. I feel like writing poetry. I feel like watching comedy scenes. I feel like visiting my friend's house. I feel like having coffee. I feel like trying a new recipe. I feel like helping the poor people. Helping the poor. I feel like teaching a lesson. I feel like eating non-veg. I feel like buy a new mobile. Thank you. Let's meet in the next session.